I'm pretty sure I have made the best protein bar ever. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, I feel like I have never really been able to find a good protein bar out there in the stores that not only like tastes really good, but has enough protein, actually has enough nutrition, isn't just full of sugar, and actually leaves me feeling good. So many of them make me feel kind of icky. Nothing has suited me, but these protein bars that I have zhuzhed up are so good. They're made with healthy, whole food ingredients. They have 19 grams of protein per bar. They come in at under 300 calories, and you feel like you're literally eating a dessert. They are amazingly delicious, and I am so stoked to show you guys this new and improved protein bar recipe. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss any more high protein recipes hitting the channel in the future, and let's get right into this protein bar recipe. Now, I know what y'all are probably thinking. These are not the prettiest protein bars you've ever seen in your life, and that is true, and that is okay. What matters is that they taste delicious and are packed with totally nutritious ingredients. So I'm using a stand mixer, but you can use a food processor or just mix things by hand in a large bowl. So I'm gonna start by adding in some maple syrup for sweetness, some plant milk. I chose to use soy, you can use anything else you like. And then to add a creamy texture, we're adding some sunflower seed butter, but again, you can use any other nut butter you like. Then we're gonna add some mocha or chocolate flavored protein powder, some oat flour, cocoa powder, hemp hearts, and flax seeds. Lots of nutritious ingredients right there. And then to help things blend, we're gonna add some water, or you can use more plant milk if you like. And then once we have reached a nice thick, creamy texture like this, we're going to transfer it into a long shaped container, like a loaf pan would be ideal. And at this point, you can top it with any other toppings you like nuts, seeds, cocoa powder, shredded chocolate like I did here, or even some coconut. Then we're going to pop that in the freezer for a couple hours until it firms up a bit, but not until it's totally frozen solid. We want to be able to cut through it with a knife, and then just cut it into 8 even portions, and then you have your 8 delicious protein bars ready to enjoy. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my god. You guys, those are so good. I can't even begin to tell you how delicious those are. They feel like decadent and indulgent, but they are just so healthy and they're so nutrient dense. You will never need to make another protein bar ever again. These are the real deal. Hot tip for you guys, I like to eat mine pretty much right out of the freezer. I like to freeze them because it makes them last longer. Technically, you can have them in your freezer for a month or 2, but I don't think they'll last that long because you'll probably want to eat these every time you work out. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a big like, watch this video next, and I'll see you guys in another upcoming video. Bye!